Good morning. My name is Caleb. I'm the founder and operator of Sunfind Solar. Today's day and age of communication, a solar vlog. See where it goes, provide a little insight into what we do here and the solar industry. Please join us for this journey. We'll see what it becomes, and let's have some. Hello, Max. How's it going, Max? Can you say hi? Say hi, Max. This is our official Sunfind mascot, Max. Looks very excited, doesn't he? Max, can you say hi? I guess not. Renee, this is Renee. He was voluntold to vlog. So Renee, what are you working on today?
Little installer's copy action for our next solar roof mount installation. So
oh yeah. Oh, I see. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the grid for our optimizer stickers and.
Good job.
Some pictures of the roof.
Way to go, Renee. Getting her done.
Yeah.
Cool. Good work. We are heading out, see some nice countryside, and get some stuff done. So, win-win. All right. Let's get this truck pulled out of here. We're backing out here. Got our mirrors. All right. Let's get out here. This with one hand. Fun stuff. All right. Down we go. Stuff in the background. Oh yeah, there's our little test system. Some stuff ready to ship out. Our little forklift. Which way are we going here? Awesome little electric forklift, best thing ever. All right, let's roll. Okay, I like these days where I get to head out in the field, make some phone calls, catch up with certain people, and just time to think. Okay, here we are, site number 1. I'm gonna have a quick look at the solar system, see what's going on here, and see if we can find anything specific. All right, system a year later looks pretty good. All right. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this off, do some diagnostics, see what's going on. We do hundreds of these optimizers every year. And like anything, I guess stuff can happen, and we have to check it out. So, measure some voltage here and diagnose what's going on. Okay, so we found that the solar modules are pretty. We'll go ahead and get them warranted and get them up and going with the client. But yeah, there you go. A little bit of a day in the life of making sure these systems are up and rolling as they should be. Let's get this all tidied back up and we're out of here. Okay, we are out of here. So let's hit the road. This canola smells good. Man, talk about fresh. A little quick detour here. Out by Trochu, we have wind turbines right there. Big wind turbine. Access hatch. Another wind turbine in the back. We've got a few more around here. There's another one. And one right over there. Coming in north end of Calgary here, just going to grab an inverter. All right, here we go. Ready for a new home. Back at the shop. Friday before the long weekend, 6:30 in the morning, heading into the office here. We'll get a couple hours of work done here, and then it's off to enjoy the wilderness, do some camping, and enjoy a great out. It's crazy how that fog can roll in overnight. That should burn off. We're supposed to have a nice weekend, so let's go for another Friday. There we go. Moving the truck out, getting ready to load some stuff up, get this stuff together. Okay, there we go, all loaded up. We're ready to go. One of the great things about purchasing an off-grid system from Sunfind is if we don't install it, we will deliver it. Another happy client coming up. Happy Monday, everyone. Monday evening, August 5th here. We just come off an awesome long weekend here in Alberta. Now it's back to work. I've got about a 4-hour drive up to Valley View, Alberta. Quick sleep and on site for 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. driving through Alberta. So much different scenery, prairies, awesome bush, wildlife. Saw a couple coyotes, a moose coming up here, and just a great drive. So about halfway, everything's going well, and look at this cool landmark. Good morning from Valley View, Alberta. Sun's coming up. Rain clouds are parting, so it looks like it's going to be a nice day. So had a good sleep, a little bit of a dive motel here, but beds were comfortable, room was clean, so that's all that matters. Good old Tim Hortons Canadian staple. There we go, breakfast sandwich and a coffee. Make for a good morning. Well, there we go, another successful system delivery. So we got a system dropped off out at the client's site. It's always interesting with these off-grid clients. They like their privacy, and so no shots or videos from site, unfortunately, this time around. But we are now working our way back into gonna grab a coffee and enjoy the drive back at it again tomorrow. So thanks for following along. I think this will be a good time to end this vlog, our inaugural vlog. We're going to give this a try to make it more interesting as we go along, but thanks for following along, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.